Hello guys, in this video we are going to install Docker on Ubuntu 20.04. Docker supports 16.04, 18.04 and 20.04 LDS versions. Let's verify my Ubuntu version. Command is lsp_release-a. See, I have installed Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version. Code name is vocal. First step, we have to update. Sudo apt update. I have successfully updated. Clear screen. Whatever the commands executed in this video will be kept in the video description. This command is going to install packages to allow apt to use repository over HTTPS. Press enter. Press Y. With this command we are going to add Docker official GPG key. Press enter. This command we are going to add repository. It's also successful. Now run again sudo apt get update. Clear screen. Now we are installing Docker CE. CE means Community Edition. CE-CLI. CLI means command line interface. Then container. Then containerd.io package. Press enter. Press Y. We have successfully installed Docker on Ubuntu 20.04. Let's verify. Docker-v. We have installed Docker version 19.0313. This is the stable version. Let's verify the Docker is running or not by using the command system ctl status then Docker. Notice here Docker is active and running. It's running from 2 minutes and 30 seconds ago. Let's verify Docker installed correctly or not by running sudo docker run hello-world. See, hello from Docker, which means we have successfully installed Docker. Docker images. Sudo docker images. See here we have hello world image. Let's pull nginx sudo docker pull nginx. Successfully downloaded. Let's verify images. Sudo docker images. See, we have latest nginx image. Let's run nginx sudo docker run nginx. Everything is success. Ctrl C to quit. So in this video we have seen how to install Docker on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS version. Then we have run the hello world image. For more Docker videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.